A flood watch and a wind advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently in our area, 58 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, thunderstorms. Some may contain heavy rain. High 61. Winds south-southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Rainfall possibly over 1 inch. For tonight, cloudy with a few showers. Low 45. Winds south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. On Thursday, cloudy skies early followed by partial clearing. High 50. Winds west-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Thursday night, clear to partly cloudy skies. Low 33. Our week ahead.